Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. So, let's go and start with the initiative what we already have started, and you are watching my video. So, let's discuss and understand the vocabulary in chartered accountancy with Mission Parivartan, but as well as with the help of pictures, so that you will never forget such type of valuable vocabulary from your mind. Accounting, the process of recording, summarizing and reporting financial transaction. Audit, an independent examination of financial information to ensure accuracy and compliance with accounting standards. Financial statements, reports that provide a summary of company's financial performance, including the balance sheet, income statement and the cash flow statement, as well as equity, the residual interest in the assets of an entity after deducting liabilities, often referred to as shareholders equity. Equity, I can also say, it is the part you are taking from the company, a single part from the whole company. And the other one is GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle, a set of accounting standards and guidelines followed by companies to ensure uniformity and consistency in the financial reporting. Income, revenue. Let's discuss what is income. Revenue that is earned from the sale of goods or services. Everyone does the same thing, that is called the expense. Means you are trying to purchase something unnecessarily or necessarily as well as, so it is an expense. Revenue recognition, the process of recognizing revenue when it is earned, not necessarily when cash is received. Simple. Depreciation, depreciation, the allocation of the cost of tangible assets over its useful life for accounting and tax purpose. Balance sheet, a financial statement that provides the snapshot or the whole short company's financial position, where actually it is standing right now. ठीक है, okay. The income statement, a financial statement that presents a company's revenues, expenses and the profit or loss over a specific period. It is an income statement. Cash accounting, an accounting method. It is also a method, okay. Cash accounting, it is a method that records revenue and expenses when cash is received or paid. Accrual accounting, an accounting method that records revenues, expenses when they are earned or incurred regardless of cash flow. Taxation, the area of accounting that deals with tax laws, compliance and tax planning. Internal control, policies, procedures and practices implemented by an organization to safeguard assets and ensure accurate financial reporting. Tax deduction, an expense that can be subtracted from a company's taxable income, reducing the amount of income subject to taxation. VAT means value added tax, okay. A consumption tax added to the price of goods and services at each stage of production or distribution. CFO, Chief Financial Officer, the senior executive, okay, responsible for an organization's financial planning, management and reporting. Financial analysis, the evaluation of financial data to evaluate the financial health and performance of a company. Internal audit, a function within an organization that reviews and evaluates its internal control, risk management, and compliance with policies. External audit, an independent examination of a company's financial statements by an external auditor to assess, estimate their fairness and accuracy. And these two are amortization, the process of spreading the cost of intangible assets like patents or trademarks over their useful lives. Don't worry, I will make a video on tangible assets and as well as intangible assets, what they are and how they work. So the other one is cash flow, the movement of cash into and out of a business, coming, incoming, coming, outgoing. Okay, categorized as operating, investing, and financial activities. So thank you for watching my video. Must subscribe my channel to watch the more valuable content in a simple language.